and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea.
I'm Callie.
And this is Callie. And today we are going to be doing our Disney-inspired spring craft because it's finally spring-ish here on the East Coast. So we are bringing you what I think is our most ambitious craft yet to date. So Callie's gonna be helping, but there are definitely like parent-only parts that I'll be showing you kind of as we go, because there are things here like Exacto knives and paper cutters that littles should not be touching. So let me show you what you're gonna need for this craft, and then we'll get started in making it. Sound good? Just eating a little fruit cup. Okay, let's get going. Here's what you're going to need in order to make this Rapunzel tower craft. You are going to need like a tall container. This was an oatmeal container that the label has just been stripped off of. You are going to need something sharp. So I am using both scissors and an Exacto knife for mommy or daddy or guardian only tools, adult only tools. I also have two different kinds of glue. I have the classic glue stick. I also have some Podge. I have an applicator for that. My hot glue gun is plugged in and ready to go. I have a paper cutter, my mini one that I brought home from school. This circular cardboard cutout, which came from a Target box. We'll explain that momentarily. I'll show you. You're gonna need some like basic paper, construction paper for decorating purposes. And then we also pulled what we had, which are beads. This is kind of where the hot glue is gonna come into play. And then what I think might be the last thing here that you'll need, I printed off like a Rapunzel inspired backdrop, and I also printed this like textured rock PDF to cover our tower. Okay, you also need a kid who loves Disney princesses. Do I have that?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Now let's get going. All right, here's what we have pre-done. You can show this to the camera? Using a crayon, a freehand, and my Exacto knife, I traced out what I think will be, you can open the top, kind of like the tower portion, the opening in the tower. Can you show that to the camera?
I have a Rapunzel toy.
Would you like to go get it?
And when it's done, we can put two people in it.
We sure can. I'm also using the lid, traced a circle that I think I'm gonna cover and then be able to like put here as a platform for Rapunzel to stand on.
Where are they?
I don't know, I think they might be in with your other princess toys. I've also...
I'm looking in them.
Okay, well you can like open them up and keep looking. I've also cut up all of my exterior and then my interior as well. So this is kind of the part that's like the adult part. Oh, they're in with the little ones, sweetie. So the first thing I want to do to get started with the inside is cut out some construction paper to kind of cover this. So I'm going to cut this out, and I think I'm going to let Callie glue it while she comes up here and searches for her little Rapunzel. I made my circle bigger than the cardboard, and now I'm just going to kind of flap it over, but I think I might need a little Modge Podge to do it.
stand right there.
Yeah, I want them to be able to stand here. So now, the next part, we think, the next part, we're gonna take our textured walls, we're gonna Modge Podge the back, and then we're gonna attach them to our canister. And I did like pre-print them so that they would fit. Well, that's why we have things to do. We have things to decorate. All right, your job is to glue the back of these sheets.
All
to
of
put
the
glue
whole thing.
all over the whole thing. Can you do that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we're getting there. We need to figure out how to do these little sections right here.
Flower jewel. Look at this, everybody.
What
It's
is
kind
it?
of shiny.
It's kind of shiny.
It's a bead.
Do you think Rapunzel would like it?
Yeah. Let me get a walk in this.
Yeah?
Definitely.
Definitely. I think what might be considered the difficult part is done. So let's do a little update. We have placed on our rock texture, and I did go around the interior window here.
But Mama,
Now,
look.
now the fun part kind of begins because we get to decorate. Love. So I wanted to cut out some patterns to like go on the rock wall, and then we could put some hot glue on here and cut it out. How does that sound? Good? I think you're gonna need maybe a lot more than this, but really, it's up to you, babe.
Okay.
All right, let's get this little vine going.
Here you go. All around the edges.
Okay, let's, amazing. All right, let's get this
Wow. This.
wrapped around. Nice job, Doodlebug. All right, let's get some hot glue going. So we're gonna glue some of the beads on to our green part that Callie picked out.
Here they are.
Here they
Voila.
are. Voila. All right, which ones? Oh dear. I think we need more like flowery ones. Like these are perfect. These little purpley flower ones.
No, these are good.
Okay, friends. I think we have almost a completed tower. There are stringies everywhere. Now, from the front, you can see the little platform, and you can see the wallpaper, and then you can also see all of the amazing decorations that Callie added. Now, I would like to be able to add a little cone on top. Let's see if we can do it.
Yeah, Mom.
All right, friends, we have made it to the end of this super long but really fun craft. How do you feel about it, Doodles?
Can you take the picture?
Yeah, you can take Rapunzel on. Yeah. So now we have this princess tower complete with a crown to play with, and we may take the crown off and add some glitter to it. We'll see how we feel about it. But we just wanted to say thank you for being here and hanging out with us today. And we hope that through all of this craziness in the world that you're being able to spend some quality time together in a really fun and meaningful way. I'm gonna link below a couple of our blog posts on spring activities and spring
This is Chelsea.
Still
I'm
Chelsea.
Callie.
Still Callie.
And welcome back to the fairy tale family.
Yes.
And
We're gonna say bye. Can you say